Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Dare to Speak. And I went to the doctor a couple of days ago for a regular routine checkup. And he asked me about my health. He was concerned about, because even though I'm still over 300 pounds, he is concerned about my weight. And he says that with me having diabetes, and then after telling him about what I've been doing, he didn't like he didn't respond to it very well, and he wasn't. He was thinking that what I was doing was actually crazy and stupid. So he prescribed me. He tried to talk me out of it, and of course, I didn't debate with him real bad. I just pretended to give in. I says, okay, I'll just take my meds. I'll keep taking my metformins. And he actually prescribed me Javina. That is called Javina. 100 milligram tablets. It's supposed to help you, to prevent you from having your blood sugar spiked up. It's supposed to keep it in check to make sure it doesn't spike up when you eat. And I'm very skeptical about it. I haven't taken it yet. It's still in here. And I've been doing some research, and I found out a lot of bad side effects from it. And there were some people who said they didn't get they got very little to no positive results from it. And there was a great deal of complaints about dizziness, nausea, trouble breathing, and there's a list of other things too. I forgot what it is. Lightheadedness, dizziness, or whatever. I don't know. I got to look at the whatever again. But as I was reading it, it's how can you expect someone to take this after hearing bad reviews from it, and then having it approved? Like I said before, you're better off, because I stopped taking metformin for I think it's about a month now, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Even though metformin does help, I gotta get the hold on. Well, I'm not gonna get the medication right now, but it's over there in my dresser. I'm getting a month supply, and I'm telling people that I'm taking it. I stopped taking it. I was taking it, and it does help, but there's also side effects from that too as well. You're gonna become too dependent on it, and I know that there's natural stuff. So from my other video that I showed about the pico de gallo, the organic hot salsa, which does help tremendously. And I said about this, taking ginger root because it's a spice. It does help to lower blood sugar. And you can get it at Walgreens or any other place like that. And it's effective because it's a spice. And I didn't show this before, but cinnamon capsules. This is like taking metformin, except it's natural, and there's no side effects. If I had a choice to either take this or to take these two, and like I said before, organic hot salsa that you can only get from a Mexican restaurant where they make it from scratch. This is extremely effective. You can take with food. They have the green one, they have the red one, and they got the green one. Just buy, and they're not that expensive. If you buy the bigger containers of it, have that as a part with your normal meal. That have that and eat that regularly, and believe me, in a couple of weeks, your blood sugar will start going down. If you want to take metformin and other pills for diabetes prescribed by your doctor at first, as you're doing this for the first couple of weeks, I would strongly advise it. But after a week or two, experiment. Go without taking any metformin or this one, this medication. Go without taking it for about 2 weeks, and only do this, and only do this every day for 2 weeks, and then test your blood sugar and see if it works. This is what I found out already so far. Okay. Going to check real quick. Gonna poke. Get some blood out. $107. It's at 107. So there you have it. Just try this, and believe me, it will be effective. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you feel that it is working for you or whatever, just let me know. Drop any comments, any questions you want to ask me. I'd be more than happy to answer them. So hopefully you like this video. It's very helpful and informative. So this is Dare to Speak, and to all of you, take care.